Welcome, sir. Dad, he's super excited to see you. Also, the project has worked out and he has given his blood, sweat, everything into it.
My model ticket plan is so 90% of our plots are sold out. Our project's a huge success.
That's all Govardhan. With just one presentation, he has won the heart of the Indian community here.
Good job.
Thank you.
Very interesting.
Every inch of this house echoes the rich heritage of India. Be it the chandelier, the tiles, he got it imported from India exclusively for our clients.
మొత్తం ఇండియా నుంచి తెప్పించారు.
అవును సార్ బయర్స్ కదే ప్రామిస్ చేశాం సార్.
Wow, very interesting. Hello everybody. I have an announcement. I'm very happy today and I'm very confident that our success streak is going to continue in the US.
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ పిలుస్తున్నారు ఇల్లు.
మధురము కదా ప్రతి కదలక